Hello, tube viewers. I would like to welcome you to CBR, Canadian Basement Reviews, or Crazy Brad Reviews. Haven't decided yet. But yeah, on this channel we're just gonna review a whole bunch of different stuff. Different hobbies, tech stuff, whatever. So, first item here today for review is the Hoheim isteady X. Little gimbal, 3-axis gimbal here. Here's the box she came in. Pretty nice display box. isteady X 3-axis palm gimbal for smartphone. Now it does say it's just smartphone, and it really stresses just smartphone, but I found a way to sneak my off-brand GoPro unit, my Akaso, in there and make it work. Make the movement, enjoy it. $259 grams. Oh, also they brag that they're the lightest gimbal on the market at this current time. Foldable design. Oh, the foldable design also has little locking points. So this is what she looks like when she's all locked up here. Locked down. This little guy swings. Most of them swing all around, fly all over the place. Does this one actually go out like there? Oh, wow. Alright, so, I don't know if you can see in here, there's little notches there. And as you push, kind of pops out of that little notch. So, oh, that was the bottom one. That was the bottom one there. Kind of pushed out of there. And this one here. It's funny making a video without your phone in this. There we go. Alright, so you can see that little notch there. And that just grips, clicks in there, kind of thingy. I'm Canadian, eh? So here's the other little lock. There we go. So clearly, before starting, you gotta get her all unlockered, and hold down this little button there. Bam, 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 bam. Says, oh my God, there's no phone in here. And then it turns off. Thinks you're crazy. Oh my God. Let's see if she does that again while it's up. Alright, let's try again. Watch what happens. Hear that? Vibrator. And then it dies down. That's how it knows there's no phone in there. It won't work. And that's what it does when you put your little action camera in. I don't know if you've had this problem, if you own this unit. I did just want to say that I was able to buy the sensors that kind of know when there's a weight of a phone in there. And all I did was get a rubber elastic, and around these little guys there, I literally just put in a screw, a little clamp with the bolt right to there on the bottom, and obviously balance that right inside, and it was able to trick the sensors. Now clearly you can't use the online app with your zoom and the movement function and all that. You can move it, but not obviously the online app that goes through your phone. Duh. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of info on how to sneak by that little thing there, so you don't have to get a different gimbal or anything like that if you've had that problem. Anyway, let's see inside the box here. Do this with one hand. That comes off. And there's this fancy little pouch inside here. It's like velvet. I don't know how you get this entire thing in there. Clearly, it's not gonna all fit. But maybe you just shove the stick in and let the head keep poked out. I'm pretty sure that's what you do anyway. This also unscrews. This comes off here. Oh. Got it. And this here I even used for a mini tripod one time. You can even screw your little action cameras on there. Use that for a little setup point. Whatever. Get the idea? But yeah. So this has been a review for the isteady X by Hoheim. And I'll also do a little review of the Akaso B50X action budget camera. Probably has the best image stabilization budget camera. Research for that. Anyway, you guys. My name's Brad. Signing off. Thank you.